how to be the highest paying Crakrevenue affiliate marketer with like blogger websites, okay? So this is the next question. If you want to be the biggest Crakrevenue affiliate, I'm one of the top out there for Crakrevenue and making money with it. If you want to really crush it on that site, it's either you're a massive mega adult influencer type person who's making content and promoting offers on Crakrevenue, or you're just a huge media buyer, a dude who just knows how to run traffic like crazy. That's how I've been able to do it. That's how most of you people would be able to do it if you are able to scale with paid ads super far. Or the other route is you're making content on social media and you've acquired a ton of traffic consistently. You have a lot of views and a lot of attention and you're sending people to Crakrevenue offers. That's another way to do it. If you want to do it with making blogger websites or blogs, then it's either you have to just have a super big adult content network of a bunch of sites and you're promoting and linking to a bunch of offers over on Crakrevenue and being an affiliate that way. That's the only way I see that route making you the top and highest paid like Crakrevenue affiliate ever. And the highest paid Crakrevenue affiliate ever is probably making like $1 million or more a month, basically. Okay, that's how it works. All right, so anyway, hopefully that answers that question.